In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Submittals feature in Procore and explain how it helps teams manage construction documentation more efficiently from start to finish. After logging into your Procore account and opening your project dashboard, you can access the Submittals tool to create a new submittal by entering key details like title, type, specification section, and assigning it to the responsible subcontractor or team member, which helps set clear accountability. You can then attach supporting files such as product data, drawings, or cut sheets directly from your device or the Documents tool, keeping everything centralized. Procore also allows you to set up review and approval workflows with defined stages, due dates, and automatic notifications, reducing delays caused by manual follow-ups. As the submittal moves through the process, its status updates in real time, making it easy to track what's pending, approved, or overdue. You can also generate detailed submittal logs for sharing with stakeholders. Subscribe now for more practical Procore tips that help you manage projects smarter and stay on schedule.